This is a film about Charitylog. The camera zooms in on a historic town with an obvious church spire. It's Ross-on-Wye. Cut to people wearing headsets, working at desks and taking calls. The logo Charitylog appears.
Charitylog is a cloud-based customer relationship management system. Our CRM is used by around 1,000 charities across the UK. It lets you keep everything in one place: cases, contacts, documents, communications and workflows. Manage referrals. Keep track of volunteers and donations. Run reports on everything from outcomes to KPIs.
This is a conversation between Ian Balme, Charitylog's chairman, and Matt Dyer, the CEO.
It is a fact of life running a modern charity that you do need to have all your data entered securely, and it needs to be there ready to report to your funders. But you want to absolutely minimise the time you spend in front of a screen to maximise the time you spend in front of a client. I remember one of the earliest things you told me about this industry is that nobody goes to work for charity to do data entry.
Well, there might be the odd one or two.
They go to work to do whatever the thing above the door of the charity says, really.
On the screen now is a sign for Community First, Herefordshire and Worcestershire. Speaking is Amanda Wright, Community First Programme Manager for Health and Wellbeing.
So one of the things that's really important for us as a voluntary sector organisation that Charitylog brings is that it demonstrates to funding bodies and commissioners that we have a secure and reliable database.
This speaker is Tracy Cook, Implementation Consultant at Charitylog. Graphics of different styles of Charitylog reports are shown on the screen during this interview.
The thing I like about Charitylog is it's developed especially for charities. All the reports that are pre-built on the system are for charities, and we know the kind of things you need to pull out for your funders.
There are scenes of Charitylog staff taking calls, interspersed with footage of Community First staff using the system.
If you already have a system, we can look at how that's set up, look at how the data's held on that system, and then we can bring that data through what we call a data migration.
There's a dedicated, named UK-based support team you can contact for the price of a local call. The speaker is Charitylog's Customer Support Manager, Henrietta Burrows.
So there's 6 of us that make up the support team, including myself. We all live local to Charitylog headquarters, so we all live local to Ross-on-Wye, which is nice, so everyone gets on really well, we all know each other. And because we're a smaller team, I suppose that's another benefit of calling. When people call, they can expect short queuing times, so they'll get an answer straight away from a real person. Don't expect to be dialing loads of extension numbers, and you really will just get put through to a human being as soon as you ring.
We're not so big that you just feel like a number, and not so small we can't cope with changes in technology and ways of working. Let Charitylog take care of the admin, so you can spend more time doing what you do best. The final screen shows the Charitylog logo, the strapline "More Time to Make a Difference", and the website address www.charitylog.co.uk.